Let's make Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's French toast. First, we have to make the vanilla pound cake. For the dry ingredients, 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Into a stand mixer, 1 stick of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar. Cream together on medium to high speed for 4 to 5 minutes, or until pale yellow in color and fluffy. Reduce to low, then add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Pour in 1 cup of whole milk and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. In goes the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. Pour into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 55 to 65 minutes. So, cut yourself a few thick slices, and then onto a grill pan they go for a quick little toasting. With the vanilla pound cake now done, we move on to the French toast. Cut 1 brioche loaf into 4-inch thick slices. For the custard, 1 cup whole milk, 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon toast crunch cinnadust, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Whisk until combined. Into a frying pan, unsalted butter. Dip 1 slice of the bread into the custard, making sure to coat all sides, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until lightly golden brown. Pour some of the remaining custard into a baking dish. This will help prevent the bread from sticking in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for 14 to 15 minutes. For the bananas foster, unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, add in 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bring that up to a gentle simmer. Then add 2 bananas that have been sliced in half. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until the bananas are heated through. Pour in 1/4 cup of Teremana tequila. And now we flambe. Ignite the steam with a lighter or blowtorch. Sprinkle with some cinnamon for theatricality. Once the flame has died down, the alcohol's cooked off, and we can plate. For the base goes the French toast. For the Rock's version, smother 1 slice all over with peanut butter and blueberry jelly. For mine, 1 slice of grilled vanilla pound cake, a big scoop of vanilla ice cream, then the bananas foster. To finish, top off his with maple syrup. Dust both slices with powdered sugar. And there we have it, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's French toast.